Note to self, nature is the greatest healer and the greatest teacher. Top of the day. What it is, 30 days of health. Today I am grounded is our intention. Time to get out, get in it, reconnect. Ah, it feels so good, the sun. The soil. I'm such a hippie. Scientists are now catching up with the hippy dippy stuff. Multiple studies are showing simply coming in contact with the surface of the earth, because it has an abundant, never-ending source of free electrons, it clears your body away from free radicals and finds imbalances and balances the body out. It's amazing. It's amazing, and I can't even quite wrap my mind around a lot of it. The two killers that we know of, inflammation and oxidative stress, overstress. Contact with the ground has been proven to remedy both those things. This right here, the most inexpensive, accessible for preventative disease. Unfortunately, modern developments, cars, our little boxes, our boxed lives, has prevented us from coming in contact as much as we used to with the surface of the earth. And it's all kind of new, so we're not really sure how it is affecting us. But we do know that we are nourished to a whole nother level when we are in daily contact with the earth and its elements. Sun, water, soil, the trees, all the goods. So that's what's up. Today we are headed back into the mountains. We're going to say hi to another one of Moises' friends. I think we're gonna drink some fermented tree sap, something like that. We're just gonna get out there and get in it and see what Mother Nature has to offer. So let's get at it.
Tengo fuerte. Sí.
Muy bien.
Pero está riquísimo.
¿Es agua?
Este está muy dulce. It's a wine.
It's a wine.
It's a sap of the tree. Es mejor porque le ayuda. Mi tata tomaba mucho color de café.
Gracias. That. So Moises was showing me how this is a very authentic Nicoyan Costa Rican house, And one thing that they love to do is not cover the ground in their kitchen. You can kind of see here the soil is exposed so they can maintain contact with the earth. So, Nicoyans getting grounded, another point for them and their longevity. Not to mention drinking straight sap nectar from the tree. Icayol tree sap, fermented, about 9% alcoholic. That stuff is pretty good. What's up? Just checking in with you guys. How you feeling? We are about halfway through the 30 Days of Health series, and it's kind of taken a turn in a way that I did not expect. Originally, health, you think exercise, diet, which I'm glad we didn't end up going that way, to be honest, because it's just more of the same. It's been really cool to spend time here in the Blue Zone and take in some of the old-fashioned traditional ways of healthful living. I mean, we've been looking at things from having a sense of purpose to contact with the earth, living in community. Maybe this isn't what you expected. That's okay. What's beautiful is all of this can be applied to whatever you're working on. One thing that a tree does, and will just keep doing, is grow. To know certain path. And you know what? If I chop off this limb, it'll grow a different way. It'll just keep going. And with that attitude, nothing can stop us. We grow like a tree. Maybe boom, we get hit with some disease, or boom, some health issue happens, but it doesn't matter because we keep growing. That's what life's about. If we're not growing, we're dying. And it just feels so good to be in it. So go get in it. Wisdom from the tree. All right. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the trees, or the sun, or the waves, or whatever you are able to get in today. Or maybe you just touch a leaf and really just soak up the energy of that little leaf, because it's given. It's given. We just gotta be a little more intentional with reaching out and touching and receiving. So go get it. Enjoy the day. I will see you mañana. Pura vida. Peace.